Welcome. In front of me I have the NOKIA X20, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications, expand it, and this will show you all the toggles that are right here. And then here you want to swipe to the second page, which will have the screen recorder toggle. Now once you find it, you can tap on it. It gives you this little quick overlay right here, so you can change a couple settings. We have record audio, so you can choose what kind of audio will be recorded. Have device, mic, or both. Now for both, I do recommend using headphones. That will minimize the echo effect that might be happening if you choose to not plug them in, because otherwise speaker will be making the sound and microphone will be picking that sound up again. So that's one, and then the second option is the show touches on screen, which will just simply show on the recording a semi-transparent grayish dot that signifies where your finger was pressing the display. In certain cases it might be distracting, in other cases it might be fairly informative, so it really depends on what you want to record. And let's see if there's any additional settings if we hold the toggle. And it looks like there isn't, so we're just limited to these two options. So once you have chosen your settings right here, click on start. It will give you a countdown right here, and then start recording, which is also signified by a obnoxious little sound and a vibration. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the phone. You can open apps while doing so. And once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications, click on the stop button right here, and there we go. It now stops it and automatically saves it to your gallery application. So let's open our photos right here. And as you can see, it just appeared right at the top, movies. Now if you have more photos, more everything in here, I believe it creates at the bottom a categories. So you have like photos, albums, and so on. And you can also find this in albums under the movies folder. In here, once you find your recording, you can tap on it to play it back. And you can see it's already playing. So there we go. That is how you can record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.